My confidence has grown so much. I feel so much more confident in being able to do that and taking this experience to other work. My greatest win has been overcoming the nerves of presenting in front of large groups.
I'd say my confidence has definitely improved. So I've had the opportunity to work on my public speaking skills, actually having the opportunity to take what I've built out with fellow interns and other students and actually apply it in the field in a real life setting has just helped my confidence incrementally.
Hearing the affirmations some of them were coming out with on Confidence Day, hearing them speak out their affirmation out loud. It's my goal in this field is to make these students, make these athletes feel the best version of themselves, feel strong, feel brave. So when I hear them speak it out loud, it's definitely a win.
I've never spent this much time public speaking in front of a group of people. Being able to not only be comfortable and really be comfortable in this type of environment has been confidence building for me.
It's made me a lot more confident in my presentation abilities, so I'm just happy to have had this experience.
I feel like now I know more what to expect in this field. There was a student that we taught that wrote us a letter and thanked us for all the work we did, and that just gave me more motivation and gratification in knowing that I was doing what I wanted to do and that I was in the field that I want to be in for my career.
I think this class is definitely helping me more as an athlete. I have the tools necessary needed for the season. It's going to get me as the best version of myself ready for the season. As a student, it's also helping me with tests, studying, getting to achieve my goals.
I'm going to have to use some of that confidence to push through. Obviously, we're going to be juggling a lot. And I think that's just the main way I'm going to use it, that involved.
My favorite thing I've learned is seeing my friends and seeing them come out of their shell. Yeah, we heard of the words challenge, control, confidence, and commitment, but we never knew the true meaning of those 4 C's.